Okay, for everybody waiting, I'm sorry. I thought I was live all this time and I was just watching the stupid preview. YouTube is kind of weird. Hate it. But we gotta learn, right? We gotta learn. That's all that matters. So now that we're live, should be able to see my screen just fine. And let's take a look. Things are not working properly here. Let me double check. This goes out. We gotta learn. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. That's what matters. Now we're live. Wow, this looks super smooth. So I love this. I love it so far. Looks super smooth. Totally love it. Let me just go ahead and share this. So I think that the NVIDIA voice manager, whatever it's called, is actually doing a great job by just omitting the keyboard clicks and all that kind of stuff. Copy, we can just share this once again. Ding ding. Gonna copy all of this actually. I just post it. Why the hell can I still hear my keyboard? It might be because I don't have it enabled. It is enabled. What's going on? Ah, there you go. Blue snowball. So this should actually solve it. Output device, speakers, blah blah blah. Let's see. Wow, this stream looks really smooth. I love this. Totally love it. What's going on, everybody? Let me see. Okay, so the keyboard can still be heard. I mean, that should be fine. Okay, let's get started, guys. 'Cause that's what we're here for. Now we can get started. Let me see. Yeah, I share the thing. That's what we're here for. Okay, so we're back on this. I'm just gonna full screen this real quick. Boom. And get it started. Okay, so we're gonna get this. Let's see what it says. So what do we have here? So it says enable color start and end. And we're gonna take a look at the example and what it says. So fog, set the fog. Fog A, blah blah, red. CPU set fog. And that. Start distance, real, blah, blah. Set fog. GPU state. Okay, setting. Color writing enable. Let's see. Go back. Yeah, this is not working properly because it's picking the background noise. It's still picking up the background noise. Let's see, speakers, audio device definition. Yeah, remove that. Cool. See, there's a big problem right now, and that is people calling me. Give me a second. Líder, le tiro ahora que estoy televisando lo mismo. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I just got out. That's weird. That is really weird. Sorry about that, guys. I had a friend just calling me. I'll get back to them later. Bob, come on. This is as painful as when I watch cats. I don't think it's gonna be as painful. It might be worse. Bob, if you're in the chat, let me know, dude. You just cracked me up. Just type in the chat and let me know, dude. He said this was gonna be as painful. What a guy. Okay, so let's see what happens. We got this stuff. Draw text. So we're just drawing some text in case it's developer mode. So we're just gonna hide this. And we're gonna say display. For some reason I cannot type today. Okay, so we should be good. I don't have to worry about anything else. So this is running super smooth, and I love this completely. Where's the chat? Chat, where you at? Let me just make sure that the chat. There you go, I can see. Okay, I got 4 of you guys watching. Welcome to the stream. So we should be able to do just fine right now. So I'm just gonna put this inside of a region. Okay, the name of the instance is display, and display it only in developer mode. So that should be that. Don't have to do anything else. Oh, why did it go back like that? So what I like doing is I just like leaving some space here. Boom, save it, and now this looks a lot neater. And that's what I like to see. Okay, so we're gonna set the fog for this thing, and let's see. What are the parameters for this? So enable. I think it's like false. Start and end, and then you have to do like draw self or something like that. Draw self. and then you do GPU. Let's see, GPU set fog. No, I think it's true. Hold on. True, and then seg fog, and then you gotta do, we put it to false here. And yeah, I think you have to input like some of the other parameters. So as I said before, some of the pieces actually start as black, but because we're going to be testing this, I'm going to just go ahead and copy this, move it a little to the side, like so. And here, I'm just going to go ahead and put the same thing, but it's going to be white. So it's going to be with that. Let's see what happens when we run the code. Hopefully I'm not missing the other arguments. I think some of them are optional. They're not. Must be 4 values. Okay. Let's take a look. So you got that. Oh, you got the color, which is C white. And the start, I'm not sure. Let's say 0 and 0. Something like that. And then here, it's basically... Do I need that? CY 0 0. Let's take a look. Drill self object. Oh, I keep forgetting. Take this and make sure I put it in here because this is where we're going to be using this. There. So I got to check for that because the chess piece manager has no sprite, so that's why we got that error. And I was supposed to just put it in there like that. So if it's not a chess piece manager, and just display the name. So now it should work just fine because again, it's got to account for that. What does it say? Hold on. Wrong thing. I got to do sprite. Sprite. And we're going to say X and Y. It doesn't start with X and Y. I always get confused about that. Always forget that. So it's going to be sprite index and image index. So it should work now. Non-existent sprite. Else. Non-existent sprite. Let's see something. Let's see. Let's see. It says non-existent. Am I doing this in the right place? Yes, I am. So the pawn has a sprite. Let me do something before I do anything else. Let's just run it. Yeah, that's fine. So it all draws. If I go ahead and just run the knight, we actually get the knight in there, which is fine. So we got that working so far. Okay, so we're just gonna exit that. So what are we gonna do? Let me take a look. One of the things that I always forget is the simple fact that it's so easy to do a bunch of these things, but if you don't do it enough, you forget it. And this was definitely the problem. So let's take a look. Because we can do it with a shader, but I don't want to do a shader. Just for that simple thing. So I did it the right way. I just don't understand why the hell this is not working. You know why it might not be working? I actually did it the right way. I just don't know why the hell that is not working. That is really weird. Because it's really simple. And it's just exactly what I did. Draw self. Yeah, it's basically that. Just draw self. Yeah, that is basically it. So I wasn't wrong. Now the problem here is we just gotta make sure that we're doing things right here. So this is capitalized. So this is the way it goes. And here is supposed to be draw self. Now I'm not sure why this is not working. Draw self. Maybe because it doesn't have a sprite auto assign to it. Oh, hold on. I'm in the wrong thing. Let me see. This is the one. Let me see, developer mode, right? And then this is the one. If this is not a chess piece, right? Then it's just gonna go chess piece manager. If it is not, then do that. Oh, I'm not on the wrong thing. Of course. Of course. Of course. Got it all backwards. So the chess pieces should actually be fully white right now. Boom, and there we go. We got white pieces. Beautiful. So we got that solved. Beautiful. Pretty awesome. I like that. So we got the white pieces already. That way I have saved quite a bit on material, so we don't have to do the same thing again. So let's just take a look at the pieces, right? So we have this piece over here, which I don't really know why the hell I didn't change the name for of the sprites. Chess pieces. Yeah, I did not change the name of the pieces. Should have done that. Let's do that right now. SPR pawn. Oh, hold on. It exists already. Then why the hell is it there? Hold on. Oh. I could have sworn that was not there. Chess pieces. Huh. Interesting. Is the reasons. Room order. That's pretty much it. Huh, man, this is weird. Really weird. Let me open the pawn. Right, so why is it doing this? It should allow me to actually change the name to SPR pawn. Is there another thing called the same? Oh, that's why. Pawn 1. Let's call it pawn 1. So this stupid thing over here. That's why. Should have changed the name for that. Let me see. SPR night. Forgot it. I called that pawn for some reason. So we're just gonna do a global search so that I have to make sure that I change the name of that thing. SPR pawn. Let's see where I'm using that. And if we go here, it says draw sprite SPR pawn. So we're gonna put like, what are we gonna do? So this is doing the aqua. We're just gonna go. We're not gonna call it square. Isn't that? Yeah, we're gonna white square, like so. And yeah, that should be fine. So this was the problem. I don't even have to change that. I have two of the same things. Weird. SPR. Wait, hold on, because I gotta see what the size of this is. 128. Okay, that should be good. And this one, the same thing. So I basically have a repeated thing. Weird. Why would I have that? Who knows? We'll just go ahead and go back to the thing. Not on the manager, on the chess piece. Over here. There you go. We can come over here and just put a square right here. SPR square, and we should be good to go. So that's that for that. So one thing, let me see. We gotta make sure that let me see. So what's doing the drawing? I mean, the piece setup is being done by the squares, right? So if we just exit this, like so, all of this being done here in the draw event, which is fine. Let's close this. Boom. This is where we're putting the piece, right? So we should have something somewhere here, somewhere around here, where I can actually set this up. So we're gonna go back and take a look. We're gonna go back and take a look. So let me just add the thing, because we need to make sure that we know what we're doing, and that we know what we're setting up. So here we're just gonna go ahead and say, I don't think I need that. I'm not gonna leave it like that. And we're gonna say, let me see. Piece color equals, let's say, white, right? We can have like a small array, I think. Yeah, we can either have that, or you can use we can just use a macro. We can use a macro here. Two macros actually. You can say white, and just say like so. Wait, not what I was looking for. And then say the same thing, macro. And here's the problem. What? Hey, it's supposed to be all capital. There you go. Thank you. And then you got black, because that's what macros are for. Boom. Good. Very good. And here we can just change this to, you know, color whatever we want. So we can just say the color directory, right? So we can say white, and we have that. And because we have this already, we can just go inside the piece and give it that as well. So we're gonna go into the chess piece manager. Boom. Do the same thing here. So we don't have to worry about any of this nonsense. And just say white, because macros are global, so that's a pretty good thing. And to confirm this, we just gotta go ahead and run the game and see what's up. We can just go ahead and create a bunch of instances. Pretty good. And it works as expected. Oh, we have a problem. We have a problem. So when we get out of developer mode, the white stuff actually disappears. So that's not a very good thing. So we can just go back and fix that. So let's say. So what we can do is we can just wrap this the other way around. We can go ahead and say, hey, bam, and only wrap the text on this. Just drawing the text on this should be fine. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna take this little guy from here. Let's see. Yeah, boom, and wrap this text around it, and that should be fine. And now we just have to run the game again. It should work. Out of developer mode, beautiful. And our little bug just got fixed. So now we just have to solve, placing the right pieces, which is gonna be, whoa, it looks so cool, dude. Just deleting all that. And we can choose, what else to put. We can put a knight, we can put a bishop, and the bishop is gonna throw an error, of course. And the reason why this is throwing an error is because we don't have an image for the bishop. So if you don't have that and you're telling the program, hey, do this, but you don't have the tool, this program doesn't have what you're requesting it to do, it's gonna crash. So it's basically saying draw non-existent sprite, and that's fine, because we're just coding things first and then doing the other stuff later. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head into. We're gonna do a little Google search, right? We're gonna look some stuff up. So we're gonna look for a bishop. And before I do anything else, because I want you guys to see, I'm gonna enable where is the monitor? Monitor is down here. Boom. So you guys can actually take a look at this. So let's take a look. We're gonna say, what do we need? We need a bishop. So bishop, chess piece, right? And we can just grab anything that we like. And bishop is always really cool. Let me see. We can grab the one from the side, but I want a much cooler one than that one. One that looks really sick from the side. Let's see. I'm creating these graphics myself, by the way. So instead of just grabbing stuff from there, we're just gonna grab it as reference and just do a little tracing and a little magic, design magic. Let's see. That looks kind of cool. We can change a couple of things after. I just don't like that shape. What are we looking for now? Let's see. I like that rook. Oh, I like this bishop. Let's see. Can go up. We're gonna end up choosing the same thing either way. So I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna copy that, and we get more results here. So this one is like the closest thing, I guess. We can just make some modifications after. So we're gonna come back into here, and we're just gonna paste it. And from here, we're just gonna do the designing part. So I do my designs in Affinity Designer. It's basically Illustrator, an Illustrator competitor. Oh, now what I meant to do. Sir, what's going on? Oh, I forgot that this automatically does that for raster images, which is good. It preserves the, what do you call? It preserves the aspect ratio of the image, which is pretty awesome. So we're just gonna go ahead and just do a little trimming here. Boom, boom. Wait. Okay, so I need to click on add. That really sucks. There you go. We're gonna delete that. Delete it. Even though it's not deleting it. So one thing we can do here now is we can definitely go ahead and just do our thing. We're going to select that, and what are we going to do? We're going to switch back to vector graphics mode. And what are we going to do? There are only two things that we can do. And one of them is going to be, we need to grab one of these guys. Let's see. We can grab this. We can put it like so. And we can flip it. Boom. Pow. So we can actually make it fit as we wish. We can decrease the opacity so we can actually see much better. So this is not doing it there you go. Something like that. You can go ahead and drag this a little bit. Move it down. Boom. Beautiful. We can pull this up a little bit. It's not a problem. Pull this down. We can do a little fixing later on. So I think this would be like the basics for this. Let me see. Let's see if I can just pull some of the ankles. The anchors. No, forget it. So let's see. Yeah, we can just definitely go ahead. Do a thing. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, this we can definitely just copy. We can invert it. Let me see. Transform, flip horizontal, boom. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let's see. Yeah. So this should work just fine. And what we do now is with some magic. We'll go ahead and grab these points. Boom, we start from here and we get to here. And now it's gonna make sure. Oh, wait a second. Wait a minute. Is this the curve? Yes, it is the curve, sir. Let's see something. So that is actually floating. That's a bad thing. That's not what I intended this to be. Okay, we can continue this curve. Beautiful. Yeah, we can do something like this. Let's see. Click in here. Click in here. And we click in here again. Wait. Click in here. I don't like this. So we're just gonna flatten that as much as possible. Okay. So the good thing about this is that we can just grab all of these guys and say, hey, we are gonna just unite all of us and we're gonna be just fine. So we'll go ahead and it's pretty cool that it changes the transparency. So yeah, there you go. So that did the trick. Now I'm not gonna be doing the same thing for everything else because that's gonna take forever. So we're just gonna try to eyeball it as much as possible. Let's see. Yeah, this should work just fine. Boom. Thank you, Affinity Photo, for the smart guides. Okay, so things to consider. So one thing to consider is we can grab these corners. We cannot grab them. Oh, we don't need to grab them actually. Silly me. We just gotta go ahead and create this little thing here. And to prevent this annoying thing, I'm just gonna flip the fill like so. We can do the same thing here. We can get it to be as good as possible. Boom. Hey, wrong thing. I was meaning to just drag this guy all the way down without changing anything. Just gotta move this like so. Beautiful. And then we just go ahead and click it. Boom. Awesome. Flip it. And we just have to go ahead and again do the same thing. Select, select, and merge. Boom. Gorgeous. And we're just gonna go ahead and grab this little thing here. We'll make some really cool changes later. Once we know what we're gonna just leave out, leave in, whatever. So yeah, we just gotta move this guy like so. It doesn't look like it's fitting the way I want it. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. We're just gonna go ahead and grab a beautiful thing here. Beautiful pen tool. I'm gonna grab that. Boom. Gonna grab that again. Hold on. Before anything else. Okay, we're gonna leave it as such. And we're gonna click here. And we're gonna move it to the middle as well. Like that. Okay. So we can just go ahead and copy and flip it. Geometry, transform, flip horizontal. And we can actually just move this little boy. And we can just expand this a little bit. We can go ahead and just click them, infuse them, and hit this and do the same thing. Fuse it, and I missed a little something. This guy, we're gonna fuse that again too. Boom. And if we actually go ahead and increase the transparency, it's looking much better. Now I want to give it more personality than what this already has. So we can go ahead, and before we do that, we can create this little ball right here. Can make it a little big, like so. Boom. Right, that should be good. Click that, fuse them, and the good thing about this is that we can go click here, oh, not bad, click there, and then we change that. Oh, no, I gotta select it again. Let me see. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Change that little thing, the little things, and now is where the fun actually starts. So I want to give it a menacing type of, like, some type of menacing look to this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go like this. Boom, boom. Wait, hold on. Give me that. Cool. Gotta be really careful with the curves. Very careful. Because you don't want to ruin them. So we can go ahead and move it a little bit. Move this like so. I think we're gonna need some sharp edges to give it more personality. Something like that. And so we can definitely subtract this from the shape. Let's see. We subtract it. Bam. So it's looking like that. Can make it look way better than that. Yeah. So again, what we want to make it more menacing. So we're just gonna draw like a spiky point, like so. Something along those lines. Right, there you go. Boom, boom, and then we just go ahead and just merge the thing. Oh, I don't like that. So it was the right idea, but in the worst way possible. So I think this should be rotated up. Like so. Yes. Oh yeah, I like that the spiky point right there. I like this. Oh hell yeah. I like that. I really like it. I like it a lot. Oh, hold on. I did not close this. Like that. Beautiful. I really hate that. I lose the... Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. Boom. Not sure how much bigger this should be so that it looks right. We can just drag this somewhere. Should we though? No. I think like this should be fine. You know what I should have done? So let me mix this. No, let me just leave it like that. Shoot. Oh, I still want to make something for this. Actually, let me just go ahead and subtract a little bit of this side, because that's the thing that is killing this. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see what this is gonna look like once I remove that. It looks like it's a little too open. Tiny bit too open. So we can definitely just throw like a little line over here. Close it a lot more. Let's see. It doesn't look as smooth from here. Again, these are things that are barely going to be seen, so not much to worry about. Nah, forget it. Just gonna leave it like so. Gonna leave this and have this here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Just mix. Like so. Okay, so we're just gonna give it a little thing. Bang. Let me see. Yeah, should work just fine. Actually, I'm gonna grab a rounded one. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Where are the corners at? Oh yeah, I like that. I like it a lot. So we can just go ahead and do the same thing here. Good sir, please. Okay, we can do this. Yeah, I could change the design a little bit, like so. A little bit. Boom. And what we gotta do, where the hell is this going? Okay. What is this? Oh, that's that. There you go. Okay, so the bishop is already done. We can definitely just... Whoa! No. I did not mean to do that. No, good sir. Now, none of that actually was supposed to go there. Okay, now this made it. Now we have our beautiful bishop. Just trying to hide for some reason. Oh no. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Beautifully done. So we're going to have our bishop, and the bishop is going to be down. It's going to be going down here. Now this is some funny stuff. Bishop turns out to be a little too big. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, now that's in the middle. and we can just copy this and move this down. So what we're missing is we're missing 3 more pieces. So there's gonna be the queen. So the queen should be done fairly fast. I should have saved some of the other stuff so that I could just use it. Make my life so much easier. But since we have this other piece here, so we're just gonna do that. We're gonna add a little thing here. Boom. And we're gonna do this a lot faster than the other one, for obvious reasons. We're gonna move this. This does it for like all of them. We're just gonna make this smaller, like so. Is there something that allows me to change points individually? There should be, shouldn't there? About absolute sizes. Well, we'll figure that out later. For now, we got the queen here, so just gotta get it done. Boom. Make it smaller, like so. Much smaller. Much smaller. Do the same thing for the top. Like so. Beautiful. Okay. So that was for that. 1 and 2. I wish this had like a mirror type of thing. Steam just closed Steam. I'm not gonna restart Steam for no reason. That was mad random. So I'm gonna put 1 here. Put this here. And again, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna flip the fill because this is kind of annoying. And get another one here. We can fix this later. Okay, it should work. Okay. We can make a little cut in the middle. And we can definitely just get rid of that other portion. Like all of this. Be gone. I did not expect that, but it's all good. He's gonna boom, and we're gonna flip it like so. Beautiful. Okay. Just gotta go ahead and flip both at the same time. Mix them, and we don't have to worry about that because we're not gonna see any of that. Now this we have to worry about. What the hell happened here? We can grab this. Actually, let me see. No, it's gonna make it look ugly as hell. Oh, so there you go. See that was a problem. That right there. There you go. So this is a real one. Okay, why is it looking like that? Looks like I gotta move this all the way there. Yeah. Okay, so let me see. We got this and this. I'm not gonna choose this one. Oh my god, I deselected everything. Let me just go ahead. Oh, wrong thing. We're falling apart. So this is the only portion that we're gonna be fusing for now. Now this, I'm gonna make a copy because I'm gonna be using this fairly soon. Now the next thing is we're gonna just this other part here. Bam. Put it in the middle, like so. And then we're just gonna combine this. Because again, we're trying to get this done quick. We're gonna choose this other thing over here. Oh, keep forgetting that this also selects. So again. Okay, it didn't get it selected. I'm about to cry. Okay. Alright, so that's good enough. That's good enough for me. This is gonna this beautiful thing that does the thing for the thing that we need. Do the same. Select, boom, boom, and fuse. Now here you get to do whatever the hell you want. Let me see. Right. Oh, I need to keep in mind that I cannot just make things big. Because this is gonna mess things up. Oh, no. Let me see. Oh, there you go. That's exactly what I want. Okay. Just move this to the middle. Beautiful. Boom. Done. So we're just gonna flip it. And just copy. Flip horizontal. And holy moly. Ain't this thing gorgeous. Crazy queen. We just have one problem with the queen. And that is that this little section, even though that's not going to be seen, I don't want to leave it like that because I'm going to come back to this thing and have a heart attack. Designer problems. I know. Oh, this portion. No wonder this looks like crap. So none of this was actually fused. There you go. And now we got our queen. Ain't that beautiful? Beautiful. I don't know why the thing only recognizes a point, but it's there. It's working. And that's what matters. The queen looks kind of weird. Queen looks like the witch. All my friends are heathens, keep it slow. Please no. I don't know, I want to make her like more menacing. Yeah, I want to. Let me see. Oh, that looks really cool. That looks really badass. Gonna just gonna go ahead, transform, flip that horizontally, and yeah. Hell yeah, let's go. I love that. Go ahead, make it even. That looks really damn cool, doesn't it? Okay, so we got that. So far we've made 2 pieces, and we're just missing the rook and the king. So let's go ahead and grab a rook. Oh, that rook is gonna be mad easy. The rook, I don't know. The rook has so much more variation compared to the other ones. So much more variation. I like that. I really like that. Oh, that looks really damn sick. Yeah, we're taking you, baby. I'm gonna take you for the ride. Gonna click it the right thing. I'm gonna paste our little baby here. Big little baby. And we're gonna look for the king right away because I don't want to go back again after all this crap is done. So the rook is gonna be fairly king chess piece. That's what happens when you delete everything, guys. So don't do it like me. Oh yeah, like this king is looking clean. Mr. Clean King. Okay, so we're back. I'm gonna put this guy here. Boom. Oh, and it's a PNG, even better. Hell yeah. So one thing that I made a mistake with a lot here is the simple fact that we can just make the bottom and just share with a lot of the things. So as an example, let's just take this here, for instance. I'm more used to Illustrator than this program, but I'm trying to get used to this because you never know. I really like this program a lot. So let's see if we can actually select the points. So this is a problem. Can I convert this to curves? Yes, sir. This is not a problem anymore. Now there should be something that allows me to what do you call? That allows me to like, what is this? Align nodes, select the curves, blah blah blah. There should be something that could allow me to. That should allow me to. What do you call? What's the name I'm looking for? Shit, I forgot. So you should be able to take both points and get them closer together. I do not know if Affinity has that thing. Let me see this. Point transform tool. Let's see. See, I don't like that. Because, like, where's the good stuff? That's it? That's the only thing that we got? This is why Illustrator is still really damn powerful. Because you can do a lot of stuff with that. A lot. That's the node tool. Corner transform. What else can we do with this? What is... Oh, whoa! Hello there. Now that's pretty cool. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, this just gave me an idea. Sir? Excuse me? Thank you. Oh, just let me do this. Yes, sir. Now, bake corners. What does that mean? Oh, so you just have them like that forever? I don't like that. Not for now. I wish we could just transform the corners separately. Like you could just move one to one side and the other to the other one. It's not pretty cool. Nah, not that good. We can still change a bunch of things about this. But enough talking. Let's get this done. Okay, so remember the stuff we made? Yes, sir. We're going to be using that right now. And we're going to bring that to the top because we cannot see it anymore. We're going to grab these two and we're going to center them. Boom. Like so. Beautiful. So we can grab this and expand it. Make it longer. Like so. Oh yeah, this is going to look nice. And we can go ahead and do the same thing. But this time we're going to do it like this. This. Mm-hmm. Okay, so yeah, this should be good enough. We're just gonna make it a little bigger, like so. Hell yeah. Okay, now we go for the bottom. Play second fiddle to the bottle for a little too long. Oh, and I ain't about to let 'em all fall from grace, kingdom come. Okay, so we're just gonna need another one, like this one. This guy over here. Boom. But we're gonna make him. Oh, let me see. Behave, dude. Let's see. Angle. Hold on. Low line. I mean, that works, I guess. That really works. Hell yeah. Here's the angle. Oh, that's interesting. Upper line, 100%. Aye, that's exactly what I was looking for. Hell yeah. Awesome. Mirror. Oh, that's what it negates? Okay, there's a bunch of things here that are really nice, but I won't be using them for now. Smart guys, please. Work. Let's see. Okay, so this one here should work just fine. Like so. Mm-hmm. Okay. Still not looking like the way I would expect it to. Something like this. I don't know. Even that looks better, but still looks a little chunky. Little weird. Little weird. Okay. Are we gonna get rid of all of them? No. Oh my god. Gee, I messed that up. So for the most part, we're just gonna combine these. And this over here, we're gonna make a copy again, because again, why get rid of all of that right away when we have more work ahead of us? Boom. Okay. And we're gonna do the same thing here. Make it smaller, like so. Smaller, cooler. Make it bigger, like so. Like so. Okay, so is that works? And now my favorite part, the top. The top. So the top is basically this other just shape, but we actually can make a bunch of holes in it. Should be pretty cool. Okay. So keyboard, please. Let me see. There you go. That's the middle. That's what I was looking forward to. Yeah. Let's convert to curves. And let's grab this other tool again, so that we can actually do what we did like earlier. Okay. And we lower it. We just lower it. We lower. Hey. What are you doing? Come on. Okay, yeah. So we can just move this up. I want to make it a little bigger. Yeah, like so. I want to make it look nice. And here's where we're gonna be a little creative. Not that creative, but you know, get something looking nice. So we're just gonna go ahead, boom. So we're gonna whoa. There's a bunch of things that we need to combine here. So let's just do that first. Boom. We got one shape, and we got the rook, letter rook. So one beautiful thing about Affinity Designer, right? And I'll show you right now, is that you group these things and do some beautiful magic with it. You can group them and change this to delete. And what the erase is going to do is just that. Erase, average, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, subtraction. So you can set it to erase, and we can definitely take a look. And we see that doesn't look too bad, but doesn't look as good as, you know, what we wish it would look like. So we can individually. Good sir, what happened? Click on that. Boom. Oh, I'm clicking the wrong thing. So boom, boom, boom. We can make them smaller, like so. I guess that works. Now the middle one is to go, because the middle one is messing things up. Oh hell yeah! Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? I was gonna say, doesn't that beautiful look? What was I gonna say? Boy. Okay, so I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy about this. I'm gonna set it to normal, and we're gonna go ahead, bing, bing, bing. Oh, before I do bing, we're gonna do some magic. Oh, you can't do that. Oh, that sucks. You gotta get them out of the group before doing that. So the group goes and we get this boy here. Boom, remove that, and we got a rook. Gorgeous, ain't it? Now, one more thing before we actually are done with the rook, and that's a thing. And we're gonna create a little patch here. Either that, or we can just grab this little corner here and do some magic. So let's see. Let's see which one is first. Oh my god, I keep forgetting this. Please, please. Right. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Yes, sir. Okay. What else can I do? I shouldn't do much else. Yeah, this looks good enough. There's just I don't know, some inconsistency right here with the bottom. I can live with that. Doesn't matter. We got a bunch of them who are flat. Makes it much easier for me. So, off you go, rook, and you're done. And we're just missing the yeah. Hold on. Wrong transformation. We're just missing the king. The king of kings. Okay, we just make it a little bigger. Oh, that's the beauty. It's the beauty of vector graphics. Is that the middle? Well, it really doesn't matter. Wow, rook looks so freaking cool. And let me save this because I haven't. So, let's see. The king and the queen are almost the same thing. So we're gonna grab the queen from there, put her in here, and just make it big enough so that we can take a look. What's up? What's up? Somebody. Also, when you merge things together, there's also a subtract button to remove from another. Oh, I didn't know you were watching, bro. But yeah, we got that. So spikes are looking really awesome. So the queen and the king are gonna be basically the same thing. You just gotta make sure that they match as much as possible. Okay, all right. So here's when we're gonna cut things in half. So we're gonna go ahead and machete. Gonna get rid of this real quick. We don't need it. Don't need it. Okay, and we're gonna make our boy. There's actually, let me see. We can definitely do something much better with this king. We can, whoop, there you go. We have him here. We can make this into a shape. Convert it to shape, to curves. And what else do we do? Well, we move down, right? We're gonna go ahead and what's the shortcut for this? Oh, C. Interesting. Curves tool, of course. we can do something like this. Oh yeah, hell yeah, definitely can. And that's gonna look really nice, very neat. We can. Yeah, hold on. All right, so. Let's see. I can grab. I wish I could just scale them independently. That's one thing that I think this program is missing. That's the one thing this program is desperately missing, and that is the scaling. So if you could, because in Illustrator you can just scale things. That's just so powerful, dude. So powerful. Completely love it. Okay, so we can definitely go ahead, see again, make a selection, keep on dragging these babies down, like so, and we can just go ahead and, you know, bam, bam, boom, pow. Let's get it done. King is looking all right, I would say. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Okay. I guess that works. And I guess this works too. So again, we're gonna put a little thing here. And what else are we gonna do? I don't know. I got a little carried away just making this because it's so fun. Art is so awesome, dude. One of the downfalls of being an artist. You enjoy things too much. Time flies like a kite. Yeah. Okay. So how the hell am I gonna do that one? Well, it's gonna do middle, boom, like so. Please change that because I'm tired of seeing that. Thank you. That's not looking nice. Whoa, sir, behave. Okay. This curve is not looking too pretty. There you go. I'm actually gonna make this a little point sharp. Like so. Boom, give me that. Get it to the middle. Get it together. So I think we can select both points and then just center them. Yes, thank you. At least we got that. And then we can move them too. Right? Well, that's the middle. So we can just go ahead and delete that. I'm gonna have to set up some shortcuts for this flipping crap because it gets really boring after some time. So let's see, A to select the thing. Push the thing over here like that. Let me see. Bam, bam. I'm just gonna forget this. So there's two things that I can do, and I'm just gonna do one of them. This one. The reason why I did this is because I can. Let me see. Wow, that's looking like Guile's haircut. So we're just gonna go ahead and boom, grab these little boys and pull them down like so. Not too much, just enough so that it looks nice. Boom, boom. And we can do the same for these little babies here. The babies. The power of the king. Okay, so I think there's a triangle somewhere around here. Beautiful. Oh yes, already made for me. Yes, sir. I'm gonna grab it by the little rabbit. Pull it down. Pull it down. A little thing here. And we just make a copy because we're not gonna do the same work twice. Make this little guy smaller. Smaller, mate. Like so. And we're gonna grab another one. Actually, I'm gonna grab one of these. It's already done for us, so we don't have to do that again. Smart people don't work twice. They just work nice. There you go. And because I like spikes. Spiky King. Okay, let me see. Is this the middle? Oh crap. Now I don't know what the middle is. My life is a lie. Doesn't matter because ain't nobody gonna see that shit. And we're gonna go ahead and transform. Flipper, brother. Okay. Ay. I guess that's looking nice. For sure, right? No, this is a little slanted. Not slanted, it's a little to the side. I think this needs to be a little closer. Boom. Beautiful. Very beautiful, my friend. Okay, we're just gonna combine that and yeah, it works. Uh-oh, something bad happened. Let me just do this. Okay, thank you. That was weird. Very unwanted and unprecedented. Hey, I guess the king didn't come out so bad. Looking pretty good. Awesome. So we got all the pieces. We got the shit done already. Let's move on with programming. Boom. Make this a little awesome like that. Let me see. Nah, I'm not liking this edges too much. Not a fan of this either. We can go ahead and roughen these guys up because they don't want to be too tough. Aye. Okay. Okay, my friend. Pretty good. Shoot. You know what? I wanna give this king some really cool stuff. Let's see. Oh hell yeah! That. Oh no! Wrong guy. Let me see. Yes. Gonna give it some crap like that. Some bullshit like that. Let me see. This needs to be closer. No. Why is it selecting the back? Not the back, dude. That's a problem about eyeballing stuff. I guess that worked, right? Hell yeah, it looks nice. I love it. Beautiful. Okay. So we have this. Move it. Hey! Where are you going? Because if I let go, I don't see you anymore, bro. Okay. Okay, we got the guy. The power of the king. Okay, beautiful work. Gorgeous. Very gorgeous, mate. Might. Okay, let me see. Is this the middle? I really don't know anymore. So, the only hope I have is the middlers. Thank you, middlers. Oh my god, the rook looks gigantic. Because it's a damn rook. Damn right. Save the work, because we're not stupid. Not yet. Delete all these guys. Delete this too. You guys are useless then. Oh, wait. Get out. Get out of here. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is just export these guys. So we got a queen. Let me see. We only got the first two, so we just got a pam, 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 and then pow. We're gonna take a look. The only things. What does it say? It says that. So the problem about this program is that sometimes when you're going to export, it gives you a little more than what you asked for. So Horsey is not going anywhere, and Ponce either. So we got this guy. So we're gonna go over them little bit, one by one. Bishi. So Bishi is like 129. It's supposed to be 128. I don't know why this is having this. I don't want to call them rounding errors. This is annoying. 128 because I had it set up to that from the beginning, and it changed. I don't like change like that. Okay, so 128 again. It's making sure that, you know, my stupidity doesn't kill my work, and my work does not become even more crap. Okay, yeah. We're good. We're set. What is that? Let me see. Shit. That's the king. Okay, cool. Yes. Export those slices, please. Chess pieces, please. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. The following will be either overridden. Oh, no. Export new items only. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the stupid thing because I was a dummy and I didn't change these names. SPR pawn. Don't be dumb like me, guys. Please rename your stuff. Knight, and then you just go for the rook. Actually, SPR rook. And this is the king. So we don't have to worry about any of this. Now we can definitely export the queen and the bishop because those were the ones, stupid ones. Let me see. The queen and the bishop. Okay. Please. Thank you. Okay, now we got this here. Boom. SPR queen. And SPR bishop. Okay, we got the guys. He's got to select them and throw them in there. Should be good to go. Oh, thank you, Gamemaker, for being so lovely. Thank you. Forever. Okay, great. So everything is set up. You just gotta go into the objects and just assign their respective sprites. I should have done this all through code, but forget that. I'm just gonna do it manually. Just because I can. The queen. And a rook. A rook. Beautiful. The king. The power of the king. And now we can definitely see everything in action. Yay! This is gonna be pretty awesome. Okay, so we got our pawns. And if we switch, we go down once. Boom, we got our knights. We go down once again. Hey, what's going on? Non-existent sprite. The bishop didn't get anything? Oh, I'm so chat dummy. Dummy. Okay, we can do it again. This is a regular thing, guys. So don't mind me. So we got pawns. We got knights. We got bishops. We got... Let's get rid of developer mode. We got rooks, queens, and kings. Ain't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Hi, mamacita. I think like I'm gonna have to export the rook again because the rook is gigantic. But this is looking so sweet. It's looking very sweet. I love this. Totally love it. Oh no, widescreen. Totally love it. Okay, so the next thing is setting up the type of pieces that we're gonna get. So there are two ways that I can actually do this. I can simply just go and say, let me just grab. I can put a sprite here. Two sprite actually, two objects. I can make it two objects if I want to. So I can make it two objects. I can make it one. No, it's gonna be one object. I can make it so that if I press right or left, it's gonna just switch between the two. So I guess that could work. Yeah, that could definitely work. Yeah, we can do that. So let's do that. Let's just go back to where we were. So is the let me see. The object game manager, and we have piece color. We can make this into an array. We have it like that. We're just gonna have to change a little bit in the code. We're gonna say black. Boom. And that's it. And then we're gonna say, what are we gonna call this? Current color. And we're gonna set it to white. And that's it. So where we change it is where we're gonna do the little magic. So it's gonna go into the sprite, not the sprite, the script. Where my script's at? Beautiful script. We're gonna go here. We're gonna say change color, or choose like color piece or something. Yeah, we're just gonna call it that. Function choose color piece. Colored piece. Piece color. Yeah, we should be just fine. So we can definitely do that. And you know what? We don't even need that variable over there in the create event anymore, because we can just set up a static variable over here. What the hell did I do? Hold on, because this space is actually being hugged a lot by this crap. Okay, so current color, we're gonna definitely just get rid of that, and we're gonna place it here. Current color, and we're gonna say static. That's the beauty of this crap. White. And we're gonna say switch color switch, and we're gonna say keyboard key G, please, keyboard check pressed. Boom. And we're gonna say ord. Let me see. Word, right? No. I'm gonna do it with definitely gonna do it with what do you call this? With the mouse. So we're gonna do mouse wheel up. We're gonna do mouse wheel down. Up. Mouse wheel down. There you go. So I'm gonna make this a temporary variable, and that's how we're gonna be doing the switching. Cool. And we're just gonna do that. So we're gonna say current color plus equals There are two things that I can do. I can. Okay, let's do it like this. If, let's see, color switch. Let's see, color switch is not equal to 0. Then just run the code. Something simple. Boom, boom. Let's see. Let's see if I can just set it up like this. Color switch. And then we just do return colors, return current color. Return current color. Boom. So that's gonna give us one of the two things. And we can definitely just call that anywhere we want. And we're just gonna be calling that like once or twice. Okay. So if I am correct, if I go down, it should give me 1 and the variable should stay at 1. Otherwise, if I go up, we already know it's gonna be 1 as well. So we're gonna do just that. And before we do anything else, I already saved. Let me just go ahead and change this in the step event. And we're gonna say color, forgot the name, piece color. Why the hell did I call it that? Color piece. Hold on, because I'm doing everything wrong today. Why am I struggling like that? Thank you. I'm the dark messiah. Ooh, what? Wrong thing. There you go. Beautiful. Beautifully done. And then we just go over here in the step event and do this. Boom, boom. And call it color. What the hell was the name that I used for the function? I'm old. I'm forgetting things. Return value. No, that's not what I was looking for. Oh, that's the thing. Choose color. Choose piece color. Choose color piece. Piece color. Whatever. It's gonna go ahead and take it. Come over here. Execute. Does that work? I hope so. And what do? Well, sir, we're just go ahead and we're just gonna print it every time we use it, right? Yes, sir. So we're gonna go before anything else, and we're gonna do a quick show debug message. Thank you. Oh, it's already a string. What am I doing? Current color. Okay, and we go ahead and run the game. Hey, what the hell happened? Inside a pragma, blah, 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 blah. Let me see. Malform assignment. I can't do that. Do I have to just get rid of these things and see what happens? It's gonna give it an error. Definitely gonna give an error. Hold on. Can I put it inside a temporary variable? Hey, what am I doing? Choose. Okay. Of course. Of course I'm gonna mess it up like this. Jesus, I'm not even realizing what the hell I'm doing. Okay, let's just go back again to what we had. We had color piece, right? Hold on. Because if we're going to be doing an assignment, we don't have to do it here. That's where I'm making the mistake. So we're just going to go here and apply it where we need it. But I need it somewhere else, though. I definitely need it somewhere else. Yeah, I just need it in the create event. Not in the create event, in the end step event. The step event, whatever I have here. And that's basically it. Color piece. No, choose piece color. Thank you. So this is gonna be running here, and the other stuff is where I'm gonna be assigning the value to this. Right here. Let me see. Boom. We do. Wait, spawn piece. Oh, we don't even have to do that. Spawn piece that piece type, I think it is, equals color piece. I think that's what I called it. And then I call this other stuff choose piece color. I'm gonna kill myself with these names. Right, so yeah, let's see. Since this is gonna be only in developer mode, I don't want to change things twice in case I make a mistake. And I just copied it, so we'll see. Let's see if this throws any errors. If there's an error, why to int64, unable to convert string to int64. Why the hell is this? Okay, let me see. Line 53. Oh, I see where I made the mistake. Let me see. Hold on. Chess piece. Where the hell is this stuff? Can't see properly with this crap. Okay. All right. Current color. So the problem is that I did things without even thinking that much. Let me see. I think the biggest problem is this. So we have current color. you can give current color this type of thing and then get something else. That was the problem. The problem is that, let me see, current color was supposed to be not this. Let me see, color switch, right? Current color is this, white. And then we're supposed to feed game controller, game manager, that piece color piece. Shit, I don't even know anymore where the hell this thing is from. Let me see. I gotta take a look at this crap again. Boom. Close that. Close that again. Let me take a look. Manager. Color piece. That's what I did. This crap didn't even do anything. Okay. We're back again. Back in here. So I can set it up from here. I don't even need it. Color piece. Yeah, I just need the color piece Boom. Let me see. Color switch, I think it is. So all I have to do is just return this, not this. This is all I have to return. But I'm gonna have to make sure that, boom, there you go. So this should actually be here. Current color. Current color. Let me see. Yeah, that was not even necessary. So I don't even need a current color right here. Current color should be 0. The reason why there should be 0 is because, remember, we're just going to put this inside of this array. Then we have color switch, which is going to give us 0 and 1, and no more than that. And we have to say current color we're going to say plus equals. Let me see this other stuff. Color switch. And then we do the same thing. Current color again. And then we clamp it. Say 0 and 1. 0 and 1. And that should be it. So now we're going to get exactly what we need to get. So we're going to say color piece equals color switch. Not color switch, current color. Because this is the only thing that is changing. Yeah, so that should be it for this. Let me just go back to this other stuff so that we don't make this a mistake again. Go here, and we're going to take a look on the draw and event again. Choose color. Should be fine, I guess. Let's give it a try. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the what do you call this shit? Look at the console, right? So it's only gonna return 1 or 0. And we got a mistake. We got an error. It says color piece not set before reading it. Variable O square blah, blah, color piece. Where the hell am I using color piece? Step event. Hold on. So it is actually given the right thing. I just need to know what's going on. Okay, take a look. Okay, there you go, color piece. So I just made a mistake with the name. The creative end, piece type. I'm gonna go nuts with this crap. I need to get better at just assigning stupid names. Less stupid names. So that's the only thing that changed here. So we can just definitely go back into the game manager again, because that's where we're messing up most of the time. We're going to the draw and event once again. Wrong thing. Beautiful. There you go. And here's the thing. Piece type. And we should just copy this, run the thing, and please work, because I'm tired. Another one. Color piece, blah, 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 not set before reading it. Hold on, this is create layer, blah, 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 choose whatever. Why do I feel like choose piece? Is it the other one? Let me see. With font piece, piece type, color piece. Oh, I'm so stupid. So this color piece is basically the other stuff. That's why I'm making that mistake. That was actually the initial problem. The initial problem? I think it was. Yes. So we just have a problem right now. And what is the problem? The problem is that we're not changing. Colors are not. Yeah, the colors are not being changed. At least we know that everything else is working just fine. So one thing is not changing. And what's not changing? Color piece. Other. Create. White, black, blah, blah, blah. White and black. Now we gotta go here and see what the hell is going on. Oh. If this is not... If piece type equals white, that's what we get. But we're setting it to black though, aren't we? Let me see. Because I just gotta make sure that this thing is working properly. Okay, this is working properly. So we definitely have a problem here. And it's not with this portion. What do we do then? Do we turn it off? Do we just do like else? Just draw self? I don't think that's the solution. Yeah, that's not a solution. So, what do I need? What else do I need to print? Turn value, home manager, color piece, blah blah blah. Current color. Now, instead of printing out current color, oh, we're just gonna do both. We're gonna do print. We're gonna print this. Now, this is gonna exit the script the moment it hits this line here, because it has a return. Shit, I just need to know. Okay, manager, that color piece, that current color. Just want to see this. It's not gonna run, is it? Is that gonna run? Yes or no? Yeah, it just exits the script. Right. That's not so cool. Can I put it in the same line and then wish for it to work? Let's see. Okay, it doesn't print. No matter what I do, it's not going to print. Crap, that really sucks. I can definitely do the same thing here. I can definitely do like something else. Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys later, because right now I just got some people at home and it's not doable anymore. So